This is also a reminder to take simple steps. At the end of Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade movie, there's a part where Dr. Jones has to take this leap of faith. Everything that he had done over the years, from research to going to school to doing homework to applying and preparing for all of that, were all of the simple steps to get him to take that particular leap. And regardless of where you may be, you may simply need to take that first step. You may need to simply put on the calendar that you're going to go buy some art supplies, whatever those art supplies are. Start small, start with the simple steps, and allow those simple steps to build momentum towards the creative dream and goal that you may have in life. Take simple steps.